Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to find all your comments on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking back at conversations you've had or trying to locate a specific discussion, this feature makes it easy to track everything you've commented on across the platform. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in completely before moving forward, as you'll need full access to your profile features for this to work. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile icon, which is typically a small circular image of your profile picture. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. This menu contains several options related to your account and activity, and it's where we'll begin accessing your comment history. From the drop-down menu that appears, locate and click on the option labeled Post and Activity. This section is essentially your activity hub on LinkedIn, where you can view all the content you've shared, engaged with, or contributed to over time. It's a centralized place that gives you a complete overview of your LinkedIn presence. Once you're inside the Post and Activity section, look at the top of the page where you'll notice several tabs. These tabs help you filter your activity by type, making it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. Click on the tab that says Comments. This tab specifically isolates all the comments you've made across LinkedIn, whether they were on posts, articles, or other shared content. As soon as you click on Comments, the page will refresh and display a complete list of every comment you've ever made on the platform. You can scroll through this list to review past conversations, find specific interactions, or simply see what you've been engaging with over time. This view makes it incredibly convenient to revisit discussions or follow up on previous comments. And that's it. You've now successfully located all your comments on LinkedIn, making it simple to track your engagement history. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.